Hey y'all, so for this video I'm going to be doing another Dashing Diva. If you haven't already noticed, I'm obsessed with Dashing Divas and it's quick and easy to do at home. So I got this one that I think I got this one from Marshall's or something. It was like $5. It's called Summer Spiral, and it kind of gives me kind of like 90s vibes, so I wanted to do that. I also got an alcohol to clean my nails. I also got this gelish Top It Off to cure the nails. This little Cuticle Pusher, the silicones to help me with the strips, and some scissors to cut it. And I also got a UV lamp for this, some scissors, and obviously the cotton balls. So let's begin. So let's open this up. Really pretty. Comes with this little foil thing, which has the usual, the nail prep, and little file, which actually this little file looks a little bit different. So I already cut my nails down. I like to have my nails short. So what you're obviously gonna do is you're going to select your strips and match them with your nail. This one's kind of transparent, which is a little bit different, but it has some glitter. So you match it up to your nail size, okay? And that's it. I like to match, so I'm going to do that and cut up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so off camera, what I did is I took the strips and I measured them against my nail, trying to fit them as much as possible. Okay, make sure you fit, and then I cut them up and line them up, okay, according from thumb all the way to the pinky. So like I said, I already I prepped my nails. I filed them and cut them down. I like my nails short. But I'm going to use this Dashing Diva prep pad to remove the oils as much as possible. Because if not, if you don't remove the oils as much as possible, they will start to lift throughout the week. Like I said, I constantly wash my hands and stuff, and even when putting hair products in my hair, I don't want them lifting. So I want to make sure they last a good time. And the thing is that whenever I apply the Top It Off, what is it called? Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart. Like nail sealer, pretty much. It lasts me a good 3 weeks, so that's another good thing. Okay, so I have my lamp here. I only get my lamp to kind of rest my hand upon. So let's start. Start by removing it very carefully. And what I do is pull my skin back a little bit and slowly apply it. Try to put it at the very base where the cuticle starts. Then I push the center. And then I grab this little cuticle pusher and push the edges. Push the edges. The nail prep is a bit sticky, so you just push. Okay, so then what I do is I grab the nail file, and what I do is I file going down and down motions. I don't go back and forth, because then you might tear the strip. Okay, so that's how it kind of looks. And then I grab this other part on the back, which is kind of smooth, and just like kind of like, it's not filing, but just kind of smoothing the edges where there might be any jagged edges. Okay, let's see. Looks pretty. Gonna do another nail. Okay, and I just grab this finger and I try to put it as close to the cuticle as, like I said. Push down. File down once again in downward motions. So like I have over here this like little jagged edge. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna take my clippers and kind of clip that side. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Gonna take the back part and smooth it out. You want it smooth, baby. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna do the rest of the nails on this hand, and then I'm gonna do my right hand off camera, and I'll show you what will be the next step. Okay, so now off camera, I went ahead and put on the stickers. This is what the nail strips, as you say. Look how cute they look. Very like 90s vibe. This one has like tie-dye, stars, and like happy faces. Very cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal it by using the Top It Off brush. Brush the nail polish, and then like get the edge of the nail, and that's pretty much it through all the nails. I'll put it under the light for 60 seconds 2 times, and then pretty much you're done. That's it. Okay, y'all, so I'm done curing them. So I cured them with Top It Off 2 times for 60 seconds under the light. This is not mandatory or whatever, it's optional. I like to do it, like I said, because it lasts me a good 3 weeks, and I wash my hands a lot, and it came out like this. So now I'm gonna just get a cotton ball with some alcohol and just remove the tackiness. Like I said, you don't have to do this curing under the lamp if you don't want to. I like to do them. this is the end result. I love how beautiful they are, and like I said, give me little 90s theme vibe. I typically like loud, exotic nail polish, but this one's beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Now stay tuned for more weekly videos, and until next week, bye!